Hello and welcome to the Happy Harvest Homestead. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my rabbit cage or hutch clip clasp thingy things. So, what you're going to need is you're going to need, you're going to need some wire. This is like random wire I have. It's kind of like, here, it's thick but not too thick. It's bendy, but not too bendy. It's pretty good. So, also going to need some hair ties. This will be the stretchy stuff, and it works pretty well. So first you're going to want to straighten out your wire if it's bent, and then cut it. You're going to need one hair tie and 2 pieces of wire for each clip thing. I'm going to be making 4 today for the door of my tractor, and rabbit tractor, not like a driving tractor. And so, I already have some cut over here, but just to show you, I'm going to need 4 inches about, so I'll just take this and measure and snip. And then that's cut, and then I'll just set this aside. And so, I'm going to take 2 pieces of wire and 1 hair tie, and I'm going to take this, and we're going to bend the wire to make 2 little things. So it looks like this. You're going to do the same thing for the other piece of wire. And then you're going to take your hair tie, twist it so that it's like, here, let me show you. Okay. Ready? You twist it like this, and then have it like that so it's like double thick and half as big. And you're going to take your your hook things and put it through, and then clamp it shut like that. Then you're going to take your other one, put it through the opposite way, and push that one shut. So now, one hooks onto the door of the cage, one hooks onto the cage itself. So you do it and you hook it on, and then it stays on, then you hook it off, and then the cage opens. So that's how you make one, and I'm going to make 3 more, and then I'm going to put them on the tractor. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, hopefully you try it. Bye!